Hey everyone, I hope you are staying home and staying safe. Do you often go out to buy any essentials? Are you taking any precautionary measures? How are you keeping yourself safe and also the shopkeeper? If you have such questions and if you want to make your shopping safe and smooth during the coronavirus pandemic, then keep on watching. Hi, I am Rizum Sharma and I am an entrepreneur. I deal into essential services like milk, medicines and grocery, which are very much required by everyone, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. I am here to tell you about some really great ways you can make your shopping safe and very easy by minimizing any human contact that you might come within while you are shopping. So by the end of this video, you will be able to plan and execute your shopping in the safest possible way. So keep on watching and let's start with the video. So I have divided your shopping into 3 different parts. First is what to do before you go out for shopping, what to do when you're actually out for shopping, and what to do when you come back from shopping. Let's begin with what to do before you go out for shopping. Number 1 is to make a list. Make a proper list. Whatever items that you have, what you need to buy and what you want to buy. Make a proper list of that. You can write it on your phone or you can write it on a piece of paper. Just make sure that when you're going out, don't hand over the paper to anyone. Just keep it to yourself. So you can just look out for whatever items you require and you can take that. Number 2 are the 2 safest ways you can use for payment. Number 1 is to use your mobile. You can use any type of mobile payment gateway or you can use your card. Just make sure if you have a Wi-Fi card, it will be the best. So avoid any kind of exchange with cash and use your mobile. Download any type of payment gateway like Paytm, Google Pay, Beam, UPI, etc. Anything that you would want to, and please avoid any type of cash exchanges and you can use your card. It's best if you have a Wi-Fi card. Now let's imagine some worst possible scenarios. What if you don't have a smartphone? You can simply call up anyone at home and tell them to make the payment to the shopkeeper. Or what if the shopkeeper doesn't have any digital payment facilities? I would suggest you simply you can avoid the place. And as per the WHO findings as well, imprints are mostly found on paper and plastics as well of the virus. So it's better that you avoid any type of hard cash exchange. So stick to any kind of digital payments or any Wi-Fi enabled card. 3 is to not go out in a bad mood. Please, we understand we all are in a crisis, but so are the essential service providers. They are risking their own lives and coming out to make our lives functionable, easy and smooth. Please go out in a good mood so that your interaction with the shopkeeper is also delightful. Number 4, if you know the shopkeeper, then you can just call up or message them and give your order in advance so that they can keep it ready and packed. So when you actually go out, you can just pick it up and make the payment. We are thankful to be able to access the essential services during this crisis. So here's a little pro tip for you. Now instead of visiting just the huge supermarkets, you should also go out for any local nearby small shops, support them, buy from them as well. And they can fulfill your same requirements as well. Now number 5 is how do you protect yourself? First of all and very important is to wear a mask. You should wear a good mask to protect your nose and your mouth. Second is to wear hand gloves, so to protect your hands. And third is in case you have any spectacles or goggles, you can wear them to protect your eyes. And these protections are very important so that you don't touch any parts of your face and keep yourself protected when you're out for shopping. Now number 6 is to carry your own bag. Please do not ask for any plastic or cloth bags from the shopkeeper. Carry your own bag while you're out for shopping. Now when you're done with the pre-shopping part, we are good to go out for shopping. Number 1 is to maintain human contact distance. Now most of the service providers have installed a barrier at the entrance of the shop so that there are no visitors inside the shop. So it is requested you follow the same guidelines. Number 2 is to have patience while you are standing in the queue for your turn and to talk politely with the shopkeeper. So make sure you are not creating any kind of chaos. Now this is the most important and crucial part of your shopping. Do not touch and return any items. Number 3 is to avoid any unnecessary touch with the items. Now you already have a list of items with you. So ask only for items which you require. Do not touch any items which you don't require. In case you want to see any product, so ask the shopkeeper to show you the details and item from different angles, and if you are satisfied and willing to buy, only then you keep the product with you. Do not touch a product and return it back to the shopkeeper. This might increase the risk of the virus. Now when you're done with your order, it's time for payment. So number 4 is, again I request you to pay cashless. Make any kind of digital payment through mobile or through any Wi-Fi enabled card. Number 5, now when you're done with the payment, it's time to pack your bag. So it is suggested you do not hand over your carry bag to the shopkeeper. Instead, you fill it yourself with your own hands. So in this way, you will avoid any type of human contact with the shopkeeper. As you're aware, the best way to reduce the spread of coronavirus is to minimize the human touch and contact points. So number 6 is, please do not ask for any exchange, return or refund of the products. Once you're in the possession of the products, make sure you're making use of it and not going back to the shopkeeper for any kind of exchange, return or refund of the products. Finally, now when you're done with shopping, first thing after coming back home is to immediately wash your hands with the soap and also your face. If you're wearing any gloves, then wash your gloves with soap and then your hands with the soap and finally your face. Number 2 is to wash, sanitize everything you have purchased. So in case you have vegetables and milk packets, so you can take a mix of vinegar or baking soda with water and soak the items for a while. And if you have any packed products, you can take a cloth, damp it in the water mix of any cleaning agent and wipe off all the parts of the product. I hope this video is helpful in making your shopping safe and easy. So give it a like, and in case you have any more suggestions, drop it in the comments below and share with your near and dear ones. Make everyone safe and make them stay home. Please do not go out unnecessarily. Follow all the guidelines led by the government and respect all the rules. This way we can win the battle against coronavirus. Stay safe and stay home.